our next pose is goddess pose. And we stay with our legs exactly as they are. And maybe you can feel the work now just standing with your legs apart. In goddess, we bend both knees, sitting down. As we do that, you feel the opening in your inner thighs. And we come up, straightening the knees. Inhale here, and as we exhale, breathing down into those lower inner thighs. And inhale, bring all the air back up. Exhale down into your thighs. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale up. This time just see where your comfort is. How deep can you go? Exhale down. Stay here for a moment. Maybe you pulse a few times. And you come back up. Let's shake that out a little bit. We'll try one more variation of goddess. And for this, you might want to hold on to the chair because it will work your balance. So taking your feet back out wide, toes are turned out, sinking down into your goddess, holding on to your chair. I invite you to lift one heel off the floor. That's all. See how you can feel that all the way up into your thigh. Bring it down. Take the other heel up off the floor. Bring it down. Do it again. One heel and then the other. Yes, you know where I'm going. I invite you to try taking both heels up off the floor. Hold on. Oh my. But do you feel how strong your legs are being asked to be to hold you in this position? And let that down. And oh boy, let's march it out. That was so much work. You've done an amazing job today. And let's just go around in a circle in one direction and in the other. And coming to stillness. And that's it. Take 5 yoga, 5 minutes of mat-free yoga for beginners and gentle yogis. If you'd like to learn more about my midlife yoga program, please visit my website, www.youarerightontime.com. I'll see you for our next episode of Take 5 Yoga. And until then, I wish you namaste and peace.